Jingaki Bandawa Jylla Thymmai Hakanongba Delhi Balapanlong Hajantar Mantar Maidan Kalajam Shakisngi Kabaar Kumta Mandakasngi Pale Santri Uno Pra Kateka Jingaki Kalanang Shongshit Shushu Namar Hakapo Shipo Bujim Misstep Lasdang Biang Yeka Jingalang But Katba Unongkren Banungkong Bah K.P Pangniang President Jonga HSPDP Udang A Yeka Jingkren Longkmie na Kyrkait ki jylla Kibalon Banishimenta Kilaya La Balai Kyrkait Dakabaong Komei India Aino Yangi ka Jylla Thymmai.
A series of memorandum to the government of India with a series of government during the UPA government, NDA government under the leadership of our Bah K.P Prime Minister, and then during the Prime Ministership of our Mawphor Singh, Prime Minister of India under the UPA government. And the party, if I am not mistaken, we have already put on demand in the public domain for more than 35 years. But we are so happy today under the umbrella of National Federation of New States that we have this golden opportunity to sit together, to fight together, to demand together